What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks for joining us on another episode of Savage Marketing Hacks. My name is Mark. I'll be your host on this video today. We are the savage marketers, lifestyle entrepreneurs that don't like to stay average. We like to be savage, and we talk about smart things: success, marketing, achievements, resources, and training. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. I got a really cool video for you on different jobs anybody under the age of 18 can do on their part-time or as a full-time gig. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. Awesome, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to dive right into this. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know your time is valuable. You're probably searching on YouTube for different trainings or different things that you can enhance your lifestyle with, or you're just looking at cat videos. Either way, I don't want to take up too much of your time. So we're going to dive into this video. This video is going to be specifically for people under the age of 18 that want to make money online, that just don't want to do the high school thing. They don't want to do just the normal teenage, being just bored and hanging out with friends and not making anything of themselves. I know too many teenagers that have so much potential, but they don't know what to do with it. So I want to give you some guidance. And if you have a teenager in your life, or if you happen to be under the age of 18, make sure you smash that like button, because it's going to let me know that this content is fitting for my audience. So we're going to dive right into this. There's a few different websites that you can do to even while working from home. So one of the websites that I'm going to check out right now is called Slice the Pie. Now, Slice the Pie is a website where teens 17 or older can earn money by listening to music. You simply listen to music tracks, then they do that anyway. Tell me one teenager that is not into music. So they listen to music and they get paid between 5 cents to 20 cents per track. Now, it's usually trending music. It's usually independent artists, but there's some really good music there. All you have to do is sign up for an account right here, and the minimum payout is around $10. So if you have a teenager at home that just likes to kind of confine themselves in their room and just listen to music or play video games, I mean, you can even do this in the background. They can just listen to track after track after track, and you get paid while doing it. So that's a cool website right there, Slice the Pie. We're going to jump into number two. Number two website is MusicXray. It's a similar platform where you can go ahead and sign up. You can sign up as an artist, or you can sign up as an industry professional, or you can sign up to just listen to the different tracks, right? So teens can listen to music, give their feedback. They can kind of explain what they liked, what they didn't like. They can kind of type a response in. So this is basically people and artists looking for feedback on their music, and they get paid anywhere from 5 cents to 20 cents per song as well. It's not going to make you rich, but what it does is it adds up over time. And if you listen to, throughout a day or throughout a couple days or even a week's worth of time, I mean, you can get a couple hundred songs under your belt, and it starts to turn into something viable. So that is number two. I want to go to number three right now. Excuse me. Number three is a website called Enroll, and it's a website testing site. It's a site where if you're at least the age of 15 or older, you can work on this website tutoring people online, basically. So if you got a kid that is really excelling at school but wants to start making some money online, knows how to kind of show people how to do certain things, you don't have to have any teaching experience. And there is a subject that, if there's a subject that or that you're good at, or if you know a teenager that is good at a particular subject, why not make money to teach others how to do it? So all you got to do is sign up here, username and password. You jump into this website and basically follow the instructions, and you can teach people your knowledge. And it really gives these teenagers a kind of an introductory crash course on entrepreneurship, on getting their information out there. One of the biggest industries out there right now is information products, right? So selling your own products online, doing courses, doing trainings, and selling your knowledge. So it's an incredible way to get their feet wet excuse me, in the entrepreneurial space. So we're going to go to the next one right here. It's called SameSpeak. Now, this is another tutoring website. SameSpeak, if your first language is English, you can go ahead and apply as long as you're 16 years or older. Teens earn anywhere from $10 per 30 minutes a tutoring session. So if you do, an hour session, you do two 30-minute sessions, that's almost $20 an hour. That's probably more than anywhere else that would pay a student age 16 or older. So that is a website right there that is pretty easy money. As long as you speak English, you can become somebody's personal coach. You can teach somebody English, and it's fairly straightforward. It's fairly simple. You don't need any tech skills. You just need a solid internet connection and most likely like a headset and a microphone, just to make sure that your sound is clear. So that is it for my websites. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 websites that anybody under the age of 18 and above the age 13 can do and dive into to become basically an entrepreneur online and to learn how to make some money online while still going to school. So if you have a teenager in your life, or if you are under the age of 18, make sure you share this video, smash the like button, subscribe, because I'll be doing more videos not just for people over the age of 18. I mean, I want to include teenagers in the things that I do as well, because for one, I have 6 kids I'm raising. 5 of them are under the age of 8. One of them's already in college, and she's excelling and doing really well right now. So we're just having a ball in my family. But I want to make sure that I share enough information to help everybody, including the teenagers, because I think they're a missed population. People don't really pay too much attention to anybody under the age of 18, but I want to throw information out there to give basically value to people under the age of 18, so they can start to make a living and make a life for themselves without having to rely on their parents, and without having to rely on getting through college to start working. So that's definitely cool. So guys, I wanted to give you one last tip before you leave this video. If you are looking to start your entrepreneurial business and you want to start to learn how to make a online business, I want you to go to my website. You can go to 𝗦𝗣𝗘𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟 and you'll see my landing page right here. You'll be able to read a little bit about what I do and stuff. But I have a ebook that I want to share with you, and it's basically my secret formula. Plus, you also get step-by-step insider's guide to crushing your online business. So all you got to do is put your name, email address, phone number is optional. You download your free report right there, and it's going to